Welcome to Playbot Pro. In this video, we'll introduce the shared inbox and show how it makes managing customer conversations streamlined, efficient, and more organized for growing businesses. Handling multiple customer queries alone is a challenge for any business. Playbot Pro solves this with a shared inbox, allowing multiple team members to manage customer interactions from the same WhatsApp number. Here are the key features that make the shared inbox powerful and easy to use. Assign chats. Find all the conversations that have been specifically assigned to you. This is your dedicated list to manage and resolve customer queries efficiently. Unassigned chats. New customer messages or initiated business conversations are listed under unassigned. These chats can be assigned to team members or specific departments, ensuring the right person handles the query. Closed chats. Once a query is resolved, it can be marked as closed for future reference. If the customer messages again, the conversation will automatically reopen, keeping the communication ongoing. All conversations. This section displays every conversation, providing a complete view of all interactions. At the bottom of the inbox, you will find a quick link to the contact list. From here, you can initiate conversations with a single click. To make searching effortless, you can filter and sort contacts using tags, groups, and search options. Let's see how to add users and assign permissions. Navigate to the user section to add new team members. Enter their name, email ID, and customize their permissions. The user will receive an invitation email to sign up and join your business inbox. We have covered the user section in detail in a separate video. You can find the link in the description, be sure to check it out. Now let's assign a conversation. Select a conversation and click the Assign button in the top right corner. Choose a user or team to handle the chat. The selected user will receive a notification and can start resolving the query immediately. For example, if a customer has a question about car financing, the conversation is first assigned to the finance team. Once the finance team resolves the query, the customer might ask about vehicle insurance. In this case, the finance team reassigns the conversation to the insurance team, ensuring the customer gets accurate answers from the right experts at every stage. This seamless handover helps provide excellent support and keeps the conversation organized within the team. With workflow settings, you can automate conversation assignments effortlessly. This feature saves time and ensures your customers receive quicker responses by routing their queries to the right team automatically. We have gone into more detail about the bot assignment features in another video. You can find the link in the description. Playbot offers multiple features in the shared inbox. On the right side, there is a tag option where you can categorize conversations by adding tags based on the message content. The groups feature in Playbot helps you organize customer conversations by assigning specific group names like festival offer. This makes it easy to manage inquiries related to a particular promotion or campaign. You can also create groups for customers with similar interests or needs, such as a VIP customers group. At the bottom, you will find the notes option, where you can add notes for quick understanding of previous conversations. This helps other team members quickly understand what happened before and what the customer's query is, enabling them to provide a solution faster. The lead score feature identifies how likely a customer is to convert based on their interaction. It helps prioritize important leads, allowing your team to focus on high-potential queries. This ensures smarter and faster follow-ups. The schedule message for individual feature in Playbot allows businesses to send automated, personalized messages to customers at specific times. It can be used for reminders, follow-ups, or updates. You can schedule messages for a one-time send or set recurring reminders. This helps businesses maintain timely and personalized communication with their customers. For example, if a customer books a doctor's appointment for the 20th of December, you can schedule a reminder message for one day before, on the 19th of December. This ensures the customer stays informed, doesn't miss their appointment, and feels well prepared. Similarly, this feature can be used to remind customers about upcoming vehicle service appointments, send personalized birthday or anniversary wishes, or notify them about recurring services like weekly or monthly maintenance. Human agent take over a conversation if the customer needs a response from a person instead of the bot. The bot will pause until a manual change is made, allowing the human to continue the conversation. Let's now explore how to start a conversation. You can only begin a business conversation with a WhatsApp-approved template, whether it's for any category or with a bot. Now let's go to the template section and create a basic template. In this section, we can create all types of templates. For example, we will create a text type template with a marketing category. Once the template is created, we can send it for approval. The approval process takes less than a minute. Once it's approved, you will be able to use this template to start conversations with customers. You can customize your templates by including variables, lists, images, documents, and videos, making your communication more engaging and personalized. In a separate video, I explain the different categories and types of templates available. You can find the link in the description. Now let's send the welcome message we created to the customer. Click the template button, select the WhatsApp template, and choose the welcome template message. After sending, you will notice that the 24-hour window for the marketing category starts immediately. WhatsApp charges for sending template messages. However, Within this 24-hour period, you can send unlimited messages of the same category to this customer without any extra charges. If you want to send a message from a different category, such as a utility category template, a new 24-hour window will start for that category, and it will be charged separately. You can also initiate the conversation with a bot. To do this, click the template button, select the bot segment, and choose the bot you want to engage. Once selected, the bot will automatically start interacting with the user. Additionally, there's an option to send free-form messages. These messages don't need WhatsApp approval. You can send them once the customer responds. While using free-form messages, you can edit and customize the content based on the conversation, add buttons, or change the text body. Another great feature is sending media messages, like images, videos, or documents. For example, if you want to send a promotional image, just click on the image option at the bottom, select your image, and crop and edit it if needed before sending it. Yes, now the image sent. If the customer replies to your message, the customer service window opens for another 24 hours, and within that time you can send any type of message without additional charges. You also have the option to format your messages with bold, italics, strike-through and monospace text to make the conversation more engaging. And lastly, emojis are supported in all types of messages, helping you express emotions and make the conversation more personal. We will dive deeper into each section in separate videos, covering every feature in detail to help you get the most out of Playbot. Stay tuned to learn how to automate your business processes and generate more leads effectively. Thank you for watching.